Hey everybody, it's Tom from Vehicle Visionary with a quick tutorial for you on the 2026 Toyota Tacoma. If you have the power assist steps right here and you open the door and you're saying, why are my steps not opening or coming out? What do? It's actually very simple. It's going to be this switch right here, and all you have to do is switch it to the center like that. You can have it come out automatically just like it just did. And I'm going to show you real quick two different things you can do. Now, it's going to go back under the truck here in just a second, just like that. But if you've been off-roading and they're really dirty, guess what? You can also come back to this same switch, switch it all the way to the left like that. Both are going to come out on the driver and passenger sides, and they're going to stay out. Nice little convenient tutorial. I hope that helps you out. If there's another tutorial you'd like to see, tell me down in the comment section, whether it's on a Toyota or something else, and I'll make that happen for you. Thanks for taking the time to watch. I'll see you next time.